Hi, my name is Rebecca Whiteman, and I am an estate planning and probate attorney. Today, I wanted to tackle the question of why would I need an estate plan when I have no money? I have more debt than money. I have nothing valuable. And this is a great question because, I'm young and I feel that. I get that. Just graduating from college, you don't feel very rich. Why would you need an estate plan? And in your mind, you're thinking, an estate plan, an estate, that's like Mr. Darcy and Pemberley, and he's hopefully exiting that pond in that flowy white shirt, like that's an estate. But in reality, we all have estates. If we're over 18 and we own anything at all, then we have an estate. It might be a small estate, but we still have an estate. And so having an estate plan in place can be very beneficial. In particular, if you have young children, minor children, an estate plan is super, super important because it's where you'll be able to say who should be guardians of your children if something happens to you, and also, the kind of things that are important to you, the care that you want them to receive, and those instructions that you can put in your estate plan. Also, if you don't have minor children, but you do have property, or if you do have minor children and you have property, so like you have a house, you're not renting essentially, or you could have a field, any property is going to make you subject to probate. And probate is a lawsuit that you file against yourself for the benefit of your creditors when you die. So essentially it says, okay, creditors, I've died. It's open season. Line up and, have your debts taken care of from whatever is in my estate, and then whatever's left over would go to my family. But the thing is, probate can be quite expensive. It can be anywhere between $4,000 and $5,000. So doing your estate planning up front, wherein you are able with certain estate planning to avoid a probate entirely, that could save you a lot of money. Even though, we don't think about that it's expensive to die. It kind of is. So those are a couple reasons. But the biggest thing, I think, is that you give your family or your loved ones, whoever is left having to take care of this for you, you give them the gift of knowing what your wishes were. Because without that, it's a little bit like, have you ever ordered a pizza and another person's going to eat it with you, but you weren't able to find out what toppings they like and don't like, and you have like that panicked feeling like, oh crap, I hope they like pineapple. I got pineapple. I mean, I guess you can take it off pretty easy, but like hopefully they liked it. That same feeling where you're like, ooh, that's the feeling that your family is going to have without an estate plan, but it's going to be on like 10,000 times greater scale. Okay, so an estate plan is super helpful because it gives them peace of mind. And so again, my name is Rebecca Whiteman, and I'm an estate planning attorney, and my phone number is 801-999-8223. If you have any questions, let me know. I'd love to talk to you. Okay, bye.